What's up? I'm Jeff, and welcome back to the backyard. A few weeks back, you may remember that we built a ninja course for as cheap as we possibly could, and that turned out pretty good. So today we're gonna try something kind of different, but kind of the same. We're gonna take one of our existing ninja courses, swap out some of the store-bought obstacles for some random things we found around our house, and see how they work out. In order to meet the criteria of being a good addition to the ninja course, they've got to accomplish 3 different things. Number 1, they've got to not break. Number 2, they've got to be hard to get across, but possible to get across. And number 3, they gotta be fun. So let's start trying to string these different things up to our ninja line and see which one of these are great ideas and which ones are complete disasters. Let's go find out. First things first, we're gonna remove a couple of the obstacles from our Ninja Safe ninja line, then start stringing up the things we found in the house. All right, random item number 1, snow shovel. This should be fairly easy to shimmy across, but then the trouble is gonna be with the shovel end. You've gotta somehow find your way around that to grab the next rung. All right, he is moving onto the shovel. Let's see, Cal said it rotated, so you might need to like alternate the direction your hands are going. Oh, that seems to be okay, but can he reach that next one? Oh, it's like a little thing to chop your fingers. Can he get to it or no? Is it impossible?
Oh, okay, I'm scared.
Oh, it's spinning, it's rotating, it's rotating.
Hey, just grab it!
Maybe if it was the other way. All right, can he reach around it, grab that? Oh no, it hits him in the face. Oh no, man. Do you think that end needs to be higher? Test number 2, we've shortened the rope at this end. Let's see, can we get it? Can we get it? Oh, and then it's keeping it from rotating because it's getting caught on there.
I can see it.
Oh, he's got it, he's got it. Can he grab it? Oh, come on, yes. All right, so the shovel needed some finagling, but it works. And I think it accomplishes all 3 goals of, what did I say the goals were? It didn't break the shovel, it was a challenge, and I think it was fun. You guys think it was fun?
Yeah.
On to the next obstacle. Test number 2, we have a kitchen stool available at an IKEA near you. We've put a monkey knot through the handle in the top to hang it from. This one might be crazy because it's gonna spin and it hangs lower than the other obstacles, but you should feel like you're home sweet home.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. My feet are stuck.
Oh, his feet are stuck. Oh, untangle him, Cal, untangle him. All right, is there any way to get anywhere from there? Can you like climb up the stool? Oh, no. Let's try an adjustment. We've added a second monkey knot going through that hole the opposite direction. That holds it up higher. We're gonna see if that makes it more possible. You gotta think your way around the problem. Your guy's problem is just getting your feet off that. Oh,
I know what to do now.
there we go. Oh, he's holding on to it a different way. Oh!
Haha! Yes!
Oh, it's
Calvin, save him!
It didn't break, but it seems not really as possible. It probably is if you're a little bit more expert, but that in turn makes it no fun. So this does not get a passing grade.
I think I can probably do it.
All right, one more shot.
Oh, okay. My hands are... Oh, okay, I did it.
Oh, no.
Yes, I won.
So maybe it is possible, but it is super hard. Let's move on to obstacle number 3. We've got the rubber mallet. We rated my workbench. This one is smaller than the other ones. It seems like it should be fairly easy to do. Let's give it a try. All right, Cal. Oh, hang on. And then just swing for it. Swing for it. Oh, and he's got it. Oh, but then he fell. There we go, there we go, there we go.
His feet always stick.
Oh, that was a piece of cake for Ninja Master Ethan.
I just didn't grab on.
And he just keeps going. All right, let's see. Whoop. He's hanging. Yep. Whoa, he's got it. Now swing. Get your momentum going. Oh, and he's on to the next one. So the rubber mallet got passing marks in all 3 categories. Now we're moving on to something that's a little bit more crazy. In last week's video, we talked about balance bikes. Today, we're gonna see if one works as a ninja course obstacle. Obstacle number 4. Any volunteers?
Me!
Now, the trouble with this one looks like it's gonna be an uphill climb. Is it possible? Oh, he's on there. All right. Oh, he's reached to the lower part. Ah. Oh, now he's just gonna get his feet out. Getting your feet out of that's the hard part. Now you gotta shimmy uphill. Shimmy uphill. Oh, and he loses it. All right, let's see. Yep. Oh, Ethan's. Yeah, be careful of that seat. Oh, Ethan's got the reach to the higher part to begin with. All right, now can he jump onto that next monkey bar? It's so close. You got it. You got it. Oh, I think you got it. I think you got it. But now the problem is the next ring's pretty far. Can he get some swinging momentum up and make it to that next ring? Oh, that was no problem. I thought he was gonna have trouble. So this one didn't break, right? It was doable and a challenge, and it was kind of fun. But let's get it down before it does break. And we'll go on to the final obstacle. Obstacle number 5. An apple. It's apple picking season here in Maine, and we're enjoying tons of apples. We're gonna see if it works as a ninja course obstacle, though. I think we're only gonna get one shot at this. Let's give it a try. All right, Cal. Oh. Yep.
My turn. No, now I can go on.
Your turn. Think we can fix it?
Yes, try.
We have a bigger knot. Ethan's gonna give it a shot. Oh. You can't even get a grip on it. Ah. It's like bobbing for apples. Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. Apple. Oh, I saw some juice. I saw some juice. It's making it slippery. Oh, no. Ah, I can't. So I did not see that coming. With the bigger knot, it's on there a little bit better, but there's juice leaking out of it now, and it's making it slippery. All right, should I just try to put some weight on it and see what happens? Ready?
Let's go.
Yep, so apple. Criteria number 1, it did break. Number 2, it was challenging. Number 3, it was kind of fun as an experiment. But you may have heard, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, in this case, an apple in a day might send you to the hospital if it's on your ninja line. But hey, if you have not yet seen our video of making a homemade ninja line for very, very little money, check out this video right here. And until next time, get outside in your backyard with your kids, do weird stuff like this, and have a fun-sized adventure.
Of your own!
Of your own, of your own, of your own, own. Of your own, of your own, of your own, own.